brake pads and the Purge valve is way over $1,000. Way over, plus the seat.
So I'm wondering if this nice gentleman will donate the extra $1,000 that he's trying to knock off.
Technically, I should be charging you money. You're advertising on my platform.
Hey, that was the agreement.
We got a client. He brought us this 2015 BMW i8. Not enough it's a BMW, it's a hybrid. Let's take a look. This is what we call balling on a budget. You want butterfly doors, but you got money for, what do you got? A Mercedes C43?
Yeah.
Got you. The same price as the 2019 C43. You get this.
2020.
2020. Sorry. What's up with this shit box? You know?
It looks fine. A little bit of noise on the purge valve.
On the what valve?
Purge valve, evaporation system. But common problem. Common problem with BMWs. It's fine.
What is it?
That's a GoPro mount.
You like it? You want to buy it? How much you get for this in Tehran?
For in Tehran?
In Tehran, how much?
More than 200,000.
200,000?
More than money.
Pesos?
Yeah.
You guys want to ship it to your uncles back home? Let's go lowball the guy. A what?
It was actually a little toy Joker that slides on here I have. He just kind of chills it. I'll let you guys do that.
She looks okay. The body's pretty clean. What's up, man? Let's go on. Good.
Let's see it.
Need a few minutes.
Yeah.
The only thing is this. Well, there's three things. So one is this. The seat's messed up.
Yeah.
Common problem. Two, rear brake pads are completely shot. And three, there's an issue with something called the purge valve. So it's like some noise that's connected to the evap sensor. It's like a ticking noise.
A ticking, really?
Common problem on it.
There's no light on it or anything on there.
No, but if you listen to the engine, you can hear the ticking. So it's essentially, it's an evap sensor. Or connected to the evap sensor. It's called the purge valve. So long story short, because of that, could do 30 Gs.
Okay.
We're at 50 grand before we see that.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's where I'm at with it right now. Pretty much, that's where I'm at, really.
Would you just wrap it up, knowing what the issues are? 49 grand the way it's. The pads are gone. That's the road.
No, I'm saying that you could probably just change the pads, not the rotor.
You don't need to change the rotors. If I need to change the rotors, I'll charge you much more money.
Oh yeah, sounds like $1,000 worth of
brake pads and the purge valve is way over $1,000. Way over, plus the seat. That's like literally like 3 grand. 2 Gs for sure. The seat's probably $500 to fix that properly. Brake pads probably cost $600 for the rears. Plus the purge valve, just the part is like $400 or $500. Plus hours of labor. It's like 2 Gs. That's why I didn't even go back and forth. I just told you $1,000.
All right, bro. How about this? We're doing a little bit something different here. Since I'm on your show here, Mr. Henry. I've seen Henry on here for a while. I like his content. Right? I have a junk removal company. So I have junk removal, as you guys will see.
Now, if you advertise,
you know
it'll be 40 grand.
So, if this nice man gives me 50, what I plan to do with the money is actually what I should have done before was take this money and put it towards my company and buy more bins. So I'm wondering if this nice gentleman will donate the extra $1,000 that he's trying to knock off.
It's not about donating.
And help me with the business, and so I can go further and elevate.
Technically, I should be charging you money. You're advertising on my platform.
Hey, that was the agreement. Before I agreed to take the video.
Unless it's recorded.
We're two businessmen here trying to make a deal here. He has a company. I have a company. You know what I mean? I want to expand. I shouldn't even have bought this shit. I should have took the 20 Gs that I put down and put a bunch of bins.
You have a junk. You have a junk removal company. That's why you bought this thing. You wanted to remove some junk.
No.
This is the perfect.
I'm trying to be like the wealthy man that like he is and have multiple businesses and expand and go to the next level, make a money here, there, over there.
Listen, I don't know if you know. I don't know if you know my views on BMW. It's like right
It's a beautiful car though.
It is a nice car.
It's a beautiful car.
49 Gs, you good? And you get a free promotion.
Bro, you have to give me a 49.5. Right? I came out 5.
Done. 49.5. Done deal. I'm not gonna even go back and forth. Shout out to his company. If you guys need
junk removal.
If you need any junk removals, hit him up. And also, if you got a BMW, hit him up. He'll remove it and bring it here.
Whatever you want, but
that's it.
That's
done.
All right.
Okay, bro. So nice and easy. BMW sold. Bro, what's up, man?
It's been sitting in the garage, man.
Gotcha. Can I get the keys?
Let's go.
I'm gonna get my guys to do a quick inspection, okay? All right. Finally, a Mercedes. What's up, man? What was your name again?
Joseph.
Yeah. Great name. My favorite story from the Bible. One of my favorites.
Oh,
Brakes and rotors are going all around. There's a bunch of cosmetic damage. There's also a lot of damage. Here, the front, every rim. Where's the scuff?
Just some wear and tear, yeah.
Scuff basically everywhere. Long story short, I can get you out of yellow. That's the best thing. You owe 13,000 on it. You're not getting close to what you want. So we spoke on the live, but I didn't see the car. Brakes and rotors are gone all around. There's an accident for $5,000.
So it's a claim?
There is a claim.
Okay. Only one claim? I thought there may have been a claim. I didn't know for sure.
How long have you owned it?
I've had it 2020, around COVID.
Yeah, so it is. Accident happened when you had it, no?
Accident had it, yeah, probably like 2 years, 2022.
You don't know if you got into an accident, bro?
Yeah, but I didn't know if it was rated on the claim.
Why not? Want to insurance, right?
Yeah.
Carfax, collision, $5,300.
Okay.
So $5,300 claim, brakes and rotors all around, plus the check engine lights on for the PC valve, plus all the cosmetic damage.
What is PC valve?
PCV valve. I don't know exactly what it is. Mechanical.
Okay.
I could find out. I want to bring on money, fellas. But the check engine lights on.
Yeah. It needs service as well. Yeah. It's been sitting in the garage. Yeah, just collecting dust.
Get out of your loan.
It's not really much low. I mean, I'm paying less than $500 a month for it. It's just if I can sell it and pocket some money, there's a bit of incentive for money in it.
There's no money. Brakes,
private.
brakes and rotors, it's not cheap. But the PCV valve is not cheap. Just the brakes and rotors. It takes a lot of time to change them properly.
Yeah. I know that's an expense for you, so I understand where you're coming from. Well, what's your price? You're telling me you're going to pay me $13,000.
In this condition, plus it's red. Like I told you before, red is a disaster. It's tough to sell.
Yeah. No, that's not something that kind of.
What do you want to do?
Excites me. I'm looking at probably like 17.
No. We're in different planet.
Yeah. No, it's the 13.
We're different planets.
Yeah.
We're too far apart.
Okay.
I would have come close.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, you have the expenses on your side, and there's a claim on it, so.
There's a claim, expenses, plus it's a lot of cosmetic damages. The whole parts, literally, there's scuffs on every single panel. Like it's not clean. And it's red. Like I told you, red is a disaster.
Yeah.
I don't know what's worse, red or yellow. It's a tough sell, and every car, every panel's banged up.
Well, I mean, like, look, you're buying it for 13. You do the expense or whatever. You're still gonna be selling this close to maybe 19, 20 plus, right?
No, it's not worth that kind of. Not with 120,000 kilometers, not in this condition, and not in this color. It's a tough sell. And they go too far apart.
Okay.
Which is what I could do, man.
I'll put it on private. We'll sit it. Let it sit on the trailer for a bit. If it doesn't sell,
I'm here.
I'll come to you. You know.
The offer's gonna go down.
Yeah, of course. No, we'll see. Right. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
This price is not the lowest price, so
exactly.
It's all good.
I wish there was more I could do, bro, but it's rough.
No, it's all good.
It's rough. If you want to do it, we're ready to go. You think about it, you let me know.
I know you're here, so
thank you so much, Joseph.
Meet you in person and see how everything is.
I appreciate it, bro. If you need anything, call me. He gave you the keys?
Yeah, I have the keys. Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Take
care, bro.